couple years since we made a video together.
Yeah, pose it.
Kaya, can you tell the microphone how old you are?
I'm 2.
Can you show the camera the number 2? This is the camera.
Great
Yes, King.
yes.
Yes, young King.
Wow.
I'm running that boo. I'm running that hole. I'm running fast. Fast so far, little Bill. I'm going to taste the board. I'm tasting the board. That boo. He fight. I'm going to taste the board.
Kaya,
Yes.
did you pick some flowers?
Yeah.
Thank you.
A flower.
Is this what you think of me?
Yeah.
What color are the flowers?
It's yellow.
Kaya, what kind of food do you like?
I like flowers and I like syrup.
Okay. You like eating flowers? That's interesting.
Bossy the boo, I to hurry on her way. But she said that Bobby, don't you cry. I see you again Monday.
Get you some lotion. Stay still. Here's your drumstick.
Little bells run along, turn around, fall to the ground. Dance on your toes, where go your nose, where go your hips, do back flips, no, foot flips. Oh, I'm making yellow.
You're making yellow?
Yeah.
Oh, is your hand yellow? Yeah, your hand gets dirty when you carry those flowers around, doesn't it?
Yeah, maybe I'm going to take a bath.
Maybe you need to take a bath with your hands. Yay! Do you like baths?
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing to do in the bath?
Play with duckies.
Play with duckies. Kaya, what's your favorite food?
I like chicken and french fries and Huawei and chickens.
So I take it that you like chicken.
Frosty the snowman.
Are you listening because he put the headphone up to his head? Are you doing the same thing? Throw it, smash it, go! Yeah!
I'm going back to the North Pole. Yeah.
A long way to walk.
XYZ and the sun goes down on the coconut tree. Tickle boom boom. There's a hula. I got an idea.
Tell me what your idea is, honey.
It's a surprise.
It's a surprise.
Kaya, what do you like to do outside?
Play.
You like to play? What do you like to play? What do you like to do?
Let's see.
Mitzi? Mitzi the monkey?
Yeah, I'm
There's a monkey named Mitzi. Mitzi the monkey's from Little Bear. There's a monkey in our neighborhood, and she calls the monkey Mitzi. It's like a monkey decoration.
And was Mitzi hanging off the fence.
Yeah, Mitzi was hanging out the fence.
She's a silly goober.
She's such a silly goober. Who's that?
is Mike Wazowski.
Mike Wazowski?
Yeah.
And then who's that?
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish. And then who's that?
Frosty the Snowman.
Frosty the Snowman. Yay!
All right. Me and Daddy are gonna talk. Daddy, how old are you?
I am 29, almost 30 in like 2 months.
Who do you have here?
I don't know. You gave him to me.
I sure did.
This is Zion. Say hi, Zion. Hi, Zion. What do you have to say?
Zion is 4 months, maybe 5. We don't keep track. Hi, buddy. Come on. Come to mommy. Look at him go. Go, buddy, go.
Are you excited to be in our new house?
Yeah, I'm stoked about
I
it.
feel like because we're in a new chapter. We're very excited to be in this new chapter. We like this house. We can actually film in this house. Our last one, we couldn't find any angle to film at. So I'm very happy to be here in this house.
Oh, you're rocking it. Find more hangers. Would you sing me Frosty the Snowman? Frosty the Snowman was a jolly, happy soul. Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh. We could totally hold hands. Ready?
Frosty the mommy was a very little there must have been some magic
In that old silk hat she found.
for when they placed it on her.
She began to dance around. Oh, Frosty the mommy, hurry on her way.
But
She
she
said,
said, don't worry, don't you cry. I'll see you again one day.
this house is very filmable. We should definitely film more. Thumpity thump thump.
Flappity flop flop. Look at Frosty
Mommy.
go. Mommy.
Go. Can you say thumpity thump?
Flap flap flap.
Thumpity thump.
Flap flap. Nobody hears you
Snow. Yay! And the crowd goes wild.
I want to get out.
You want to get out? Say, this is
I want food.
ready for cucumber chips?
Yeah,
Okay.
and avocado.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Show that went as good as you could expect. How did that go, Kaya? I'm glad. I'm glad. Where are you going?